Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the most trusted insights on beauty tech. Today, we're diving into what many stylists and users alike consider the best 1-inch titanium plate straightener on the market. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Flat Iron Hair Straightener. This isn't just a flat iron. It's a professional-grade tool designed to deliver salon results right at home. Engineered for all hair types, this straightener utilizes advanced nano-titanium technology, which means ultra-smooth plates that glide effortlessly through your hair, locking in shine and minimizing frizz. If you're tired of passing your flat iron over the same section of hair multiple times, you'll love this model. Its floating plates ensure full contact with your strands, meaning you'll often only need one pass to get sleek, straight results. With a 1-inch width, this tool hits the sweet spot for versatility. It's narrow enough to reach close to the roots and perfect for short to medium hair lengths, yet wide enough to handle longer sections with ease. Whether you're straightening, curling, or creating waves, the design makes it all possible. One standout feature is the material itself. Titanium heats up faster than ceramic and maintains a consistent temperature throughout use. This model combines that with ceramic elements, offering a smooth glide and even heat distribution, helping reduce damage while enhancing performance. It also features digital temperature control, so you can fine-tune the heat settings to your exact hair type. Whether you have fine, thick, curly, or processed hair, you can customize the temperature to prevent unnecessary heat damage while still achieving the look you want. The responsive controls make switching settings seamless, and the digital display keeps everything visible. What's more, the build quality here is top tier. It feels balanced in hand, not too heavy, not too light, and definitely built to last. The outer body stays cool, making it safer during styling. There's also a long, swivel cord, which gives you the freedom to move without tangling or tugging, perfect for both home and professional environments. This straightener is also a great companion for travel. Its dual voltage functionality means you can take it across the globe without worrying about compatibility. Just pack it in your case and you're ready to style anywhere, anytime. Let's talk price. While it's positioned at a premium tier, you're getting salon-level tech in a compact, durable package. Considering its performance, longevity, and user-friendly features, it offers excellent value. If you're serious about your hair or work in a professional salon setting, the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Flat Iron is more than just another tool, it's an investment in quality styling. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If this sounds like the straightener you've been searching for, you can check it out via the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more expert reviews just like this. See you in the next one.